is Ivan. My forte is watercolor painting as well as jewelry making. Because I wear hairpins in everyday life, I wanted to make one for my own. I'll be sanding down a chopstick, and all I'm using is just a nail filer. So now I'm just finishing painting the chopstick. This will be used as the base for the hairpin. So now I'll be cutting this flower from the shrinking paper. I'll be shrinking this flower using this heating tool. We're gonna paint over the black marker. Alright, I'm putting aside my flower. This plastic flower I already cut and shrunk it with the heating tool. Now I'm just adding beads and wiring. I grab this plier, and all I'm simply doing is shaping the wire to look like a loop. I'm gonna loop around this wire 2 times. Now I'm grabbing a piece of styrofoam. I'm going to be painting the styrofoam pink. I already have here flowers onto the styrofoam ball. All I'm taking is this extra flower. I'll be cutting the wire a bit short, and all I'm doing is adding a bit of glue. And this is what my design looks like. Now I'm going to use the spinner and see where it lands. Ooh, I got Black Panther. I started designing T'Challa's hairpin. He's a superhero, so he's gonna need a weapon in disguise. As you can see, I still kept elements like the chopstick, wiring design. However, this time I used the flowers to cover the weapon. The flowers are disguising the functionality of the hairpin, which is T'Challa's weapon. Overall, I'm happy with how the design came out. I think T'Challa could use this in battle. Because I designed the furs with beauty in mind, that came in handy when designing for T'Challa's hairpin. The flowers became part of the functionality, and that helped disguise the weapon as a hairpin. I combined utility and beauty in this project by making an object useful as a hairpin and beautiful at the same time by taking ordinary things like plastic and cardboard and making them into flowers.